First, for what values of k is the line x plus 2y plus k equals 0, tangent to this circle right here. I have it written there. I have the circle, and this is to scale as far as I know. So the center here, we're going to show you how you get the center right there. I put it on already, so we're going to work it through. So we're going to write out the circle and complete the square. So x squared minus 2x there, plus y squared plus 4y, opening these up to complete the square. Move the 1 over. Half of negative 2 is 1, squared is 1. Half of 4 is 2, squared is 4. So plus 1 plus 4, because it's an equation. Those cancel. And you have x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 4. So now we know the center of this circle, center is 1, negative 2, and we know the radius is 2. So again, I'm going to put this stuff over here, and I'm going to erase this and keep going. So if you need to see how that was done, if you forget, just run the video back. I'm going to do the next part in red, because these lines are red. So x plus 2y plus k equals 0. 2y equals negative x minus k. Y equals negative 1/2 x minus 1/2 k. Okay, so we can write this thing right here. I'm going to put this down here so there's more room. This is for either of these lines. Y equals negative 1/2 x minus 1/2 k. So as you can see, the slope of these lines is negative 1/2. Now we're going to work on the line going through here. So this is going to be in green. It's going to be as to scale as I can get it. It might not be perfect, but pretend that that is all perpendicular right there and goes through the point 1, negative 2. So now, look at us, we have a line. We have y plus 2 equals 2 times x minus 1. That is this line. Not hard. So that is y plus 2. Well, actually, let's do this. I'm going to make this, so that is y plus 2 equals 2x minus 2. Y equals 2x minus 4. So y equals 2x minus 4. And there we go. Now, you might be looking at this thinking, well, how does this help me? So remember, we have 3 unknowns. I'm going to go back to yellow here. We have y, we have x, and we have k. So we have equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3. These all come together at this point. So green equals red, green equals yellow, red equals yellow. We can do that. There's other ways we can do it too, which I think is going to be easier. So that's the way we are going to do it. All right, here we go. So y equals 2x minus 4, comma, y equals negative 1/2 x minus 1/2 k. And then we also have the circle. X squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 4y plus 1 equals 0. Now we're going to set up how we solve this thing. Again, ask your teacher if you can use a calculator. If you have to do it by hand, don't do it if you're tired. Okay, so watch here. So first thing we can do is y equals this, y equals this. You can do it by elimination. You can do it by substitution. 2x minus 4 equals negative 1/2 x minus 1/2 k, or 4x minus 8 equals negative x minus k. Move that over. 5x equals 8 minus k, or x equals 8 over 5 minus k over 5. Okay, I'm going to put that in so we can plug in x equals 8 over 5 minus k over 5 for every x here, which is great news. However, we still have a y in here. But you'll notice here, this equation is y in terms of x. So we've got x squared plus 2x minus 4, because y is this, squared, minus 2x plus 4 times 2x minus 4 plus 1 equals 0. Now it's all in terms of x. Now for this, we have this in terms of this. So 8 over 5 minus k over 5. Yeah, let's make that less there. Okay, squared plus 2 times 8 over 5 minus k over 5 minus 4 all squared minus 2 times, you guessed it, 8 over 5 minus k over 5 plus 4 times, let's do brackets, 2 times 8 over 5 minus k over 5, x minus 4 plus 1 equals 0, so we don't go off the page. And now you'll notice this entire equation is in terms of k. If you're supposed to, you have to, I don't know, just you have to FOIL that, put this all together, FOIL that, put this together, put that together. It's not horrendous, but it's not fun either. This is as far as I'm going to go. Because if you're here, you can do it. What I would do, if I were you, if you're in this class, you've got a TI Inspire. So you're going to go menu, algebra, solve system of equations, solve system, it'll say solve system of equations. And then it will be, solve system of equations again. It will not be solve system of linear equations because this is not a linear equation. ... Push enter. Now, what you're going to end up with, you're going to put in 3 equations. You're going to make your variables x, y, and k. And then what it's going to look like is this. You'll see this, solve. And you'll see this right here. 3 equations, comma, x, y, k. Like that. And you will put this equation in there. You'll put that equation in there. You'll put that equation in there. And that will give you a solution. Again, I don't know. Is that cheating to do that? I don't think so, because it's really tedious to solve by hand. But maybe you're supposed to. I don't know. Anyway, this is how you set it up.